Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to set up the required Java version on your system, whether you're using Windows or Linux. Now, most people uninstall their old Java version and install a new one whenever they need to switch. But guess what? We are going to do it in a smarter way, without uninstalling anything. So, stick around and let's get started. Check the Java version. Java 21 is already installed. Let's install Java 24 from the website. Select Windows and click on the .exe file link. JDK24 is downloaded successfully. Proceed with the installation steps. Once done, visit the Java folder. There you can see both Java versions 21 and 24 installed on the system. Open the command prompt and check the Java version. This will show the recently installed Java version 24. Go to Start and click on Edit Environment Variables. Under System Variables, select Path and check for the Java entry. Now, open File Explorer and navigate to C Drive, Program Files, Common Files, Oracle and then Java. And there you go. You can see the Java path. Because of this, the system automatically picks the recently installed Java version 24. Now we want Java 21, so let's visit the installed Java folder and copy the bin folder path. Go to Edit Environment Variables again, edit the path, and delete the existing Java path link. Add the new path, then click OK to confirm. Next, under System Variables, click New. Enter the variable name as Java_home and for the variable value, paste the same path but remove bin from it. Click OK, then OK again to save the changes. Now, open the command prompt and check the Java version. Congratulations! We have successfully changed the Java version from 24 to 21. Now, let's see what to do if we want Java version 24 back. Here's what you need to do. Visit the Java 24 folder, navigate to the bin folder, and copy the path. Open Edit Environment Variables. Under System Variables, select Path and click the Edit button. Now add a new entry for Java 24. Click OK. Under System Variables, click New, set the variable name as Java_home, and for the variable value, paste the same path but remove bin from it. Click OK, then OK, and once again OK to confirm. Now open the command prompt and check the Java version. You'll notice it still shows Java 21. So, here's the trick to fix it. Go back to Environment Variables, select the path for Java 24, and click on the Move Up button to place Java 24 above Java 21. Click OK to confirm. Now check the Java version again. Congratulations! We have successfully switched back to Java 24. This way, there's no need to uninstall any Java versions from your system. You can easily switch to the required Java version using this trick we showed in the video. Now for Linux. Let's check the Java version in the terminal. Java 18 is already installed. Now, let's install Java 21. and wait until the installation is complete. Once done, check the Java version. There you go. Java 21 is now available for use. But currently, some tools require Java 18. So, how do we switch back to Java 18 without uninstalling Java 21? Let's type a command. Choose the selection number for the required Java version. In my case, we need Java 18, so I'll choose selection number 2. Now, let's check the Java version again. Cool. We now have the required Java version, Java 18. Let's try the same command again to switch to Java version 17. This time, we need to choose selection number 1. Check the Java version. Congrats! We've successfully learned how to switch between different Java versions without uninstalling any of them.